This is Epic Family Adventures. This is our first video. I'm going to take you on a little adventure. We got our fishing pole here.
You can't see it.
We're going to do a little fishing. So, what we're going for, bass, peacock. We're going to a place called Arthur Marshall Reserve. Pretty cool park, lots of alligators, so stay tuned. We'll be right in. Alright, we're on our way now. Gigi.
It's in the back seat.
We got
Chuck in the passenger seat.
One Chuck Cinco.
Oi!
Alright, now we shooting for some big fish now, right?
Bass.
Now I got one of my biggest bass from here, right from the dock. Chucky, you were with me, and I could probably put a picture in this.
I was about 2 years old.
Yeah, I'll put a picture. It was a pretty big one. I'd say 5-6 pounds. Two of my biggest bass. The other one was fishing with my father from his boat. Just a little bit south of where we will be fishing. So, caught some big fish out here.
The one on my grandpa's boat was weak. It was weak, let me tell you. It was weak.
It was actually a little bit bigger than the one that I caught with you, Chuck. So.
Yeah, but I caught one.
Gigi?
Back there.
There she goes.
We caught a tiny fish in front of my house because we got a lake.
Canal.
Yeah, canal. And that's mostly it. We go fishing out there once in a while. I have a friend that's 7 streets down, and I ride my bike there sometimes.
All right, friend Robbie.
Chucky's
a talker. Too. He likes to talk a lot. Right?
I'm a chat box, yeah.
All right, we'll check back in with you guys when we're
there
at the reserve.
I be going hard for that. Peso, 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 peso. I be going hard for that. Peso, 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 peso. Shit, I be going hard.
Yes. Filmed this part, but we walked out of the car and got here. We saw a big, huge gator. We came near. We saw animal control spraying it with mace, and then it swam away before they.
Federal Wildlife Control was out here.
But now we just find a little one splashing around. We didn't really know if it was a little one or maybe a big one, or maybe a fish.
All right. So yeah, we got out here. Federal Wildlife was out here, and he was standing by the edge. A gator came right up to him. I mean, right up within a few feet from him. He asked us to get off the dock that we're sitting on so he could spray it with mace. The gator took off. He's over there. We don't see him now.
I think he's over there still swimming.
He said that they spray him with mace because when they become aggressive and people feed them like that, they have to remove them. So they give him a chance, and he quickly took off. The police officer left.
I think we're gonna fish now.
Yeah, maybe we'll throw the frog for a little bit and see. Just look at this beauty here.
It's really windy.
The place is pretty awesome, actually.
Canoes for sale.
We got a canoe trail over there. But, yeah, I don't see no gators. The dock over there is shut down. So we're gonna go grab the rods, see if we can catch something real quick.
My dad just rolled out the rod.
10 minutes after Federal Wildlife was here, he showed back up. He just chilling. You got people right there standing there. And he's ready, man.
Got a phone here.
Florida baby.
Crocodile.
He's a pretty good size too. I'd say he's a good 6.5, maybe 7 feet. Eat him. He's got a little meat on him. She's a bit scared, huh?
Yeah, she's scared like a chili. She's scared like a chili pepper when they're cooking.
You alright, Gigi?
She's going to eat me.
Come on, stay over here.
Eat me before you eat them.
Look at
It
him.
could be a dessert.
He's so close. And now this fish just got sprayed with mace 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago now. And he's right back. He took off.
Oh, I'm scared. Bro.
Scared. Really?
Yo, look at that. It's a alligator. Throw it! That way we have an open chance. No, I don't want
Oh, he just ate the fish. He ate the little damn minnows.
Let's throw it again. Let's see if it goes. Bait. Scare him.
Out here in the swamp, baby. We got airboats.
One last time.
He's gonna blow. He's gonna blow.
No, it can't blow. Wow. Yo, get out right here. It's over. It's over. Run, it's three. Run, run.
Look at it. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? You better get out of here. Better scram.
Yay!
We got the airboats out here. We got one there, one there.
Yo, guacamole,
Another
this
one
thing
coming
scared
over here.
me. Another one.
All right. Hey, at least he's over here, so we're not trapped anymore. Be careful now. We keep an eye on this guy. Watch out, this I'm setting it down.
Oh, we lost him. Oh, the guacamole, stay silent.
Yeah, maybe 5 feet, 6 feet. These guys got some badass blowboats. Got this guy. And we got, what we calling this gator? Oh, creepy. Creepy McCreepster.
We got chicken. Because you're so scared.
Hey, that's Creepy McCreepster.
And chicken.
Just get out of here, dude. We want to do some fishing. You're over messing with us, right?
You're a chicken.
Hey, leave him alone. Nothing but a gator, man. He's like a dinosaur, you know? Look at that close-up, baby. All right, here we are.
Stop.
Arthur Marshall, Loxahatchee National Wildlife.
We're leaving now.
There's different fish that you could catch. Alligators do not feed or disturb. It is a very awesome place. We're gonna run over to another area.
And try to
Stop.
catch some bascles. I saw a bald eagle. I saw the bald
Crappie,
eagle.
warm-mouth bluegill. So, what did you guys think of that?
That was awesome that we saw the gator and almost ate my face off.
What did you think of that, Gigi?
It was good. Daddy, this is probably the worst day of my life. Daddy, this is the worst day of my life.
You were a little scared of that gator, though,
But
weren't
maybe
you?
next time, no gator.
All right, next time, no gators. All right, so let's kick rocks, guys. All right, we're driving. We're getting ready to pull into this other little cool area. What's up, Gigi?
We're gonna try to go.
I don't know if they can see this, but we're gonna.
There might be gators in here.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to pull a fish out of there. We'll give it a shot from the
But there was
edge.
a big gator. If you couldn't see on this on my dad's phone, there was a big gator.
We saw a real big gator.
And it was not lying.
He wanted to eat these little kids.
You almost ate my face
Hey, look,
off.
there's another little pond right over here too.
Yeah, we might
Alright,
go and
so-
nap.
We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna pull the pole out, see if we can catch something because we were out of luck at the last place. We just want to land one fish. We don't care what
We
kind.
might video.
Not looking good, guys. All I really brought was a topwater frog, and it's still pretty hot out, so it might not be the best decision, but let's do it.
We never be too much prepared.
Let's do this. A really cool oak tree right here. Watch out. Yeah, but you gotta be careful because there's hooks in there. All right, we got a dock here.
Who brought the
Little
bait?
cool area here.
No one.
Let's go see what this is about. I've never been over on this side. Give it a shot here.
Oh.
You guys remember this is our first
Oh no.
video, so we haven't really got any cameras. The kids wanted to do this, so
Don't
get out of the way.
try to-
Get out of the way. No fishing.
We have our permit.
Oh man,
Daddy, let's go.
dude, this looks like such a good fishing spot. Look at the holes down there,
It says
man.
no fishing it. We're gonna do it. But this is fresh water.
Look way over there.
There's cops here.
There's some type of structure.
I'm just gonna
Looks almost like a hunt cabin.
And look, right here, it says no fishing
All right, let's see what these signs say. We're gonna still fish.
We're leaving.
All right, it says a fed gator is a dead gator. What is a nuisance alligators? Alligators that have lost their fear of humans. That one had lost its fear of humans. He came right up to me when I went to the edge. Most alligators are by nature nervous of human activity and will usually avoid close contact with people. However, if alligators have been living in areas where human activity is high, and especially if they are fed by people, some alligators will lose their natural fear and will begin to approach when they see people.
Daddy, let's go.
These alligators can be very dangerous and are termed nuisance gators. We didn't catch anything. Gianna, what you got though? Come here and show me. I see you collected something. All right, we got bad light here. Here we go. She got some flowers. Look at that.
Can I show him something?
Yeah, absolutely. Here. Tell me where.
Right over here. Come on. See that? A bug chrysalis.
Yeah. That bug is dead. It's dried up.
Chucky, can you please hold your own flowers?
Look at it. Oh, I got it. No, let's start on Chucky's mouth. Oh, Gianna's mouth. You want to eat it? $5, you eat it.
Deal.
You're not really going to do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, don't. Just drop it. All right. My kid's crazy enough. I think he was probably going to do it. But we're going to get out of here. This pine, this oak tree is just freaking epic, man. I really wish we had one of these at the ranch. There's 2 of them. They're beautiful. All right. So we struck out today. We got to see some gators. It was a good day as far as I'm concerned. So let's get home to mommy, have some dinner, do our thing. Like and subscribe. Give us that thumbs up, right? Tell them what's up.
Please give us like and subscribe.
Right. We're not beggars, but this is our first video we're trying to do for you. Right? So tell them what do we need them to do?
Subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you do,
hit the bell button, that's right.
And if you do, guess what? We're going on a cruise! Oh, and link down there. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!
Epic family adventures, baby.